Okay, let's do this. This is Minecraft Hardcore Live Series. Yeah. We're gonna do this. Alright. So yeah. Hey. Go single player. Oh yeah. I already was doing this. Give me a wand. Ooh. Minecraft Hard. Season 1. How much? EE4. EE4, I guess. Done. Okay, look. Game mode. Hardcore. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it! What's happening? Okay. So we spawned here. Ooh, I like this area. Placed. So you can see I'm playing hardcore because little lines in that heart. See? See? See right there? With the heart. So yeah. Let's get some wood. And the pigs. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna build my house like right here. That would be neat. Wait, actually, we need to get ready though. I mean, we're not. Yeah, we're not really ready though. I have to find sheep. Oh god, that's gonna be fun. Like that, yeah, that'd be fun. I think that's gonna be fun. Oh god. So we're gonna have to try and not die in this time. Okay, so. Oh my god. Way stupid. Whatever they call it. Ah, more. Oh, I just placed it. Oh my. Gravel. God, I just placed it. Oh god. What is going on here? Oh my. I hate this world. Oh. Saying. Oh, stupid flaps. Do I hear music or is it just me? I think it's just me. I heard it again. Yeah, we're just getting cobblestone until my pickaxe is dead. Yay, 39. Okay. Yay, we got an apple. We got an apple. A pick. Sword. Axe. Now let's look for some sheep. I think this is gonna be fun, trying to find some sheep. Oh, here's the ocean. Yeah, it would be fun to make a house here, but I can't really find any sheep. Which kind of really stinks, because... No, it definitely stinks. Oh, a jungle. A jungle biome. Well, we need to find some sheep. Let's see if we could find some sheep. Looks like we can't. Do you see any sheep? Because I can't find any. That. Man, I thought there would be like sheep, cows, goat cows. Why can't you be sheep? Why can't you be sheep? I keep finding other animals. But the only thing I want is sheep. Why is it always so hard to find sheep in worlds? Sheep are like so rare. Vines. Why do you have to... I wish you'd have to press a certain button to climb vines. Like you do when you climb ladders. Man, I think it's official we can't find any sheep. We got ourselves a cave. Anyways, we're not looking for caves right now. We're looking for sheep. We're in the same exact place. And I hear slimes or whatever they're called. Go over here and see if we can find some sheep. All I need is one sheep. Because then I could duplicate the wool. And I see some mushrooms over here. Is it just me or we're getting lucky with where we are? With all these caves, you know, around. Yeah, okay. I guess we're gonna... Don't want sand. There you go here. Go there. Why can't you be sheep? Man, sheep is like so rare now. I wish it was Minecraft better rare. No. Yeah, because it's alpha and better now. I saw something move. I totally thought I just saw something. Oh my. Ay, ay, ay. Is it just me or we can't just find any sheep? Sheep is like nowhere. An apple. Don't know why there's an apple. Ooh, plain fields. The plain fields, yay! Because I see sheep. Now I gotta walk all the way back where we were. Stop it! Stop chasing the tail. So now I'm gonna have to run all the way back where we wanted to make our house. There ain't no way. Oh, now I find you in this. I'm gonna go run all the way back. Which case I don't think I want to get to. How I find sheep all the way over there? Sheep is so stupid nowadays. We have to run to where we were. I know it's getting dark. Ah, stupid sheep. Hate you. Now you spawn here. Okay. Right. I don't see much. We gotta hurry because they're fucking monsters somewhere. Because this is hardcore. Actually, luckily there's no monsters. I think I just saw a skeleton over there. Okay, we're gonna have to make a bed. I think I saw a skeleton. I think I saw a creeper. I think. I think. I gotta run all the way. I think we're here now. We should be there. What the? You just climbed on the tree. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jungle biomes, they have like leaves for ground, like right there. It's like it's a leafy situation. I think now we're where we wanted to make our house, I think. I think this just should be the area we should make our house. Because there's like a giant... Oh. This isn't... cave. I guess we can't make it here because we don't have any caves around. I do know where somewhere could be our house. We need to actually get some wood. I mean, come on. I want to look for a good area. I think this is very slow. I think this is a good place. Yes, we're on an island. Ooh, yay. Woot woot, we found some sugarcane. get some wood. Wood, we found our house. We found where our house is gonna be. Woot. I should have made a shovel. Okay, good. I saw like something weird. I was like, I was like, weird. And then I saw a little rock. Okay. I was like, okay. So that's what it was. How about, okay. Stop talking about it now. Go. Let's go where the house I wanted to be. It's on that little island right there. It's like right where the on the teensy top. Like right here. Yeah. This is what it's gonna be. I need to get some wood though. So. Don't mind me for getting wood, because that's what Minecraft is, getting wood. If you don't get wood, then you don't... I don't want to talk about it. Like, I think this is like the perfect spot. Perfect. I see a lot of caves around, and there's jumping saplings. Jumping saplings. Jumping sapling. And I see half trees over there. Do you see that? You'll probably see it if I did this. No? Oh, no, it's not. Well, anyways, yeah, I want to go to a cave and get some, cobble. Well, what it is. I thought I said I knew it. Oh my god. I guess I'm wrong, because I'm mistaken. I need to get some cobble still, no. Oh wow. Oh, hitting it with that pickaxe, oh my god. I was hitting the wood with a pick. Oh my god, that's so bad. That's how bad I think I am when I do videos in the morning. Because it's literally 7:30 right now in the morning. I'm not used to doing that. And on a walk day, oh god. Like it's fun. Like fun. I don't like this. Okay, this is better. And legs are itchy. My legs are itchy. Ow, my finger. Ah. Where? I just got stack of wood. You know, we could always like build a... Ooh, I see a lot of apples. Get the food. Get the food, man, get the food. Now we got 4. Yay, yum yum. Yum yum in the tum tum. Yum yum and tum tum, yum yum and a tum tum. Yeah, I definitely know this episode is not gonna be like the actual housekeeping episode. So yeah. Alright, we're just going everywhere, getting wood. My axe is almost dead. Now we have a lot of wood. Huh? Well, that's what our house is gonna be made out of. Wood. Okay. House is gonna be here. I think I did it the wrong way. Okay, now I did it the right way. Now that looks much better. Okay. With the saplings, because we'll probably be like put like, some trees over here. Oh, wow. This is how bad this is. We have to like do this much farther than we expected. I think now it's ready. Yeah, it's not really nice of us to do actually. Ooh, the sun's setting. Let's make a bed. Make a bed. I said make a bed. Oh my god. Alright. Sleeping. We're sleeping. And this is my skin. It's kind of stupid. Don't worry, guys. I know a skin I'm gonna change it to. Don't worry. It used to be a zombie. It will be. Not yet. No. Not yet. Wish I could, though. I think we'll probably be ending up duplicating our wood, because there is a lot more to come. There's a lot more to come. There is gonna be more levels of wood. Yeah. A lot of levels. So I guess we'll stop at, well, yeah, at 2 stacks. And until next time, we would probably duplicate some wood. Like, for a lot of reasons. Seven. Well. Let's get this sapling. Why do I keep hearing something? Oh. What's going on? I don't know what I was hearing. Oh no. Anyways, yeah. Probably be ending up duplicating the cobble. Okay. Like the door, I guess. Oh, that would be a bit. Okay, I think this will be our door. Right. Oh, but next to trees. Alright, guys. We just cannot find a good area to. Right here. Great. Man, how much? Oh my god. We have another stack? Bad, I didn't know. Oh my god. It could be been building right now. Come on. Yeah, let's make it a roof. I'll probably not be able to get the roof done this episode or live series. Oh my god. Okay, it's like halfway. Anyways, I do want to get some of this clay. Like bricks, so maybe the bricks will be like for any reasons, but I'm gonna get some clay. Now we got some clay, Got some clay, got some clay.